Hey guys, it's Sherry Capers, owner broker of Beautiful Homes Now, and today I want to show you guys a really beautiful floor plan. Fisher Homes is the builder. I am out in Powder Springs, Georgia, and I am going to go outside and come back in so you guys can see it. I'm really excited about this floor plan because, as you guys know, I always say I have to really like a floor plan to talk about it. And Fisher Homes, to me, they build a pretty nice home. So I'm gonna go outside and then I'm gonna come back in so you guys can see it. So let me turn the camera around. Oh, before I turn the camera around, let me let you guys know they are in stage 4 now. So let me show you guys the area and then I'll go in to the home so you guys can see the model home. All right, so over here is where the pool and tennis courts are. And the home that I was just in, this is the home I'm going to tour for you guys today. This is a snapshot of the community. Again, I am in Powder Springs, Georgia. I'm at Fisher Home, and Fisher Homes is the builder. And I am in a community called Springbrook. It's in a really good location. It's right off of C.H. James Parkway, if you're familiar with Powder Springs. So as you come in, this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. And they also have a half bath on the main level. Now, I toured this home yesterday. I did a live stream on it. And I was trying to get into my Facebook. I was having some issues, not with Facebook, with my IG. So came back today just to have an opportunity to film this home to let you guys see for my IG followers. So as you come in, to your left, you have a study, office, library, kids playroom, whatever you want it to be. I like the fact, I didn't notice this yesterday, but it has French doors, clear glass French doors off the study area. Now, one thing, like I always tell people, when you go into a model home, the majority of the times, what you see are standard features, and then sometimes you'll see upgrades. So when you're going into new home communities and you're in a model home, make sure you ask the realtor what's standard as well as what's considered an upgrade. So I'm going to turn the camera back around again so you guys can see the house. So we come in, and one unique feature that I like is that here it goes into the basement. Like you guys see different homes where you have the basement door, where this particular plan with Fisher, they have taken the door off, and it kind of like blends with the home. So I like that a lot. So you come in, to your left, you go down to the terrace level. You have a closet as soon as you come in. And one of my favorite features about this house is the 2-story family room. I'm going to try not to go too fast so you guys can see it. So I really like the open floor plan, and this is another view from the family room. So the kitchen overflows into the family room. And you remember, guys, back in the day when they had the bay windows in the family room, where I like the feature of the square windows. It gives it kind of like a modern, it is like a modern contemporary look, almost like a barnyard feel, but not so. And as you come into the kitchen, to your left, you have a huge eating area. And they also, I call it a keeping room, where you have the bonus room off the kitchen. It kind of like looks like a sunroom, but you can make it whatever you want. But this is like a sunroom / keeping room off the kitchen. Really pretty. And then I'm gonna give you guys another view from the keeping room, the kitchen, to the family room. I love the features. I love the countertop. You guys remember I told you I love. I'm a light person. So I like the light fixtures that they have in here. The lighting packet, rather. And here's another view. And as you guys notice, the patio off the kitchen is covered. So it does have a covered patio. Again, you would have to ask the agents on site if this if it's an upgrade or not. And don't forget about the Happy Realtor incentive. Any home that you see on my videos and you mention it to the agent, I am giving a incentive, and it's called the Happy Realtor incentive. Nice covered porch. I really like the floor of this specific model. So we're gonna go up before we go down. So now we're going to go and look at all the bedrooms upstairs. I like the paint choices in here as well. So as we come up the stairs, to your right, you have a bedroom. And what I like about this bedroom, the bedrooms here, they're nice sizes. If you remember back in the day, builders, you have a huge master bedroom, and then the secondary bedrooms were not as big. Well, with this floor plan, the bedrooms are nice sizes as well. So let me turn the camera around so you can see the house. This bedroom has a ensuite. It has a bathroom inside the bedroom, which is nice. This is a really nice size walk-in closet. So that's bedroom number one. This bedroom is, as soon as you come up the stairs, this bedroom is there. So now we're going into bedroom number two, which is like a suite on its own. As you see, trying to make sure I don't go too fast so you can see. So as you go into the second bedroom, to the right you have a full bathroom, and this is the secondary bedroom. They decorated it really nice. Nice size, nice walk-in closet. And now we're going to bedroom number three. I don't know why it's going out of focus so much. There we are. This is bedroom number three. You have a really, now this closet is bigger than the other two, I see. This is a really nice walk-in closet. And now we're going into, okay, the laundry room is here to the right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the master bedroom. And look at the size of the closet and the features that the master bedroom has. Again, when you work in new construction, not work, but when you are looking at new construction, make sure you talk to the agent about standard versus upgrades. Because I can tell this one has quite a bit of upgrades in it already. Though she told me this is 5, it might be a 4 bedroom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, unless they're considering the other, oh, this is a view from upstairs. Very nice and open floor plan. Again, I'm in Springbrook. This is a Fisher Home community in Powder Springs. The schools here are McEachern, Tapp, and Powder Springs Elementary. Sales price of properties are from $397,500 all the way up to the high 4s. So that's the price range of property in this community. Currently, they are in phase 4. The last phase is going to be phase 5. So now I'm going to take you guys down to see the terrace level. So again, I love the way the terrace level / basement flows with the house. There's not the wall there. The wall is gone, and it makes it just a part of the house itself. So now we're going into the basement. Now with Fisher Homes, they are offering an incentive where they will pay for half the cost to finish the basement. Typically, basements to finish with this specific community is between $20,000 and $30,000. This basement is not finished, but I just wanted to show you guys the height of the ceiling. and the additional space that you can complete or build out. I love the ceilings in here. So this is a room that can be built out. And one thing I tell clients, when you are looking at basements or finishing off the terrace level, make sure you see, or make sure it's stubbed, because that's a cost you don't have to worry about. It's expensive to come back and blow up sand. I'm not sand, but concrete to put in it, to stub it for a bathroom. So with this one, as you guys see, it's already stubbed for the bathroom. Nice space in here. It's nice and open, and it's well insulated. So, sorry guys, thought I had my phone off. Sorry about that. So that's the bottom level / terrace. And I'm calling it a terrace because it is part of the home the way it flows. Okay, now I'm going up the stairs. This is a 2-car garage. This home has a 2-car garage. Now they do have a plan that I'm really excited to show you guys today. It's like a 4-level property. And once I finish this video, we're gonna go over and look at that one. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm pretty excited about it. So this is the model home that I'm in. I'm making sure I went over everything. Oh, also Fisher Homes in this specific community, they can build master on mains. They're building 13 additional lots in phase 4 and 14 lots available in phase 5. I think I got it right. So that's the tour. Oh, this is the half bath off the kitchen. This is an additional closet, and this is the pantry. Hi, the Rogue Group, I'm sorry. I hope I didn't butcher your name up. But isn't this a beautiful floor plan? I love the design and the decoration in here. This is like the sunroom, and then it flows out to the 2-story family room. So I am gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys the 4-level home that I'm all excited about. And I'll film that one as well. Okay, I just wanted to make sure I had it right. 13 lots available in phase 4, 14 lots available in phase 5, and then they're done in this community. The lot premiums are all the way from $6,000 to $15,000, and it takes an estimated 4 to 6 months to build. It could go maybe a month over if there's an issue with getting permit. So I am going to talk to you guys later. I'll be right back in a few minutes to show you guys the 4-level or the multi-level home that Fisher is building in their community. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, this is Sherry Capers, broker owner with Beautiful Homes Now. Don't forget about the Happy Realtor incentive when you come into the subdivision. Talk to you guys later. Bye.